Hey, what is up? I'm out at Cannon Beach, Oregon. This is the first time I've been here since I've been 10 years old. I actually came out here with my girl and we're doing some crazy music video action with a bunch of her friends. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and see what we have in store.
Hi.
We got Iris, Summer, and Mia. Ooh, and the boys in the back. And guys, hey, you guys are performance artists, so we're out here doing a kind of video shoot. The whole title of this video is like, why it's important to be entrepreneurs, why it's important to build your own content. Hey, we got our guy coming out here. King Fila, tell us why it's important to build our own content, our own lives, not working 9 to 5. Why is it important?
One, personal freedom, but the real essence of the matter is you cannot really be yourself until you yourself are free. Right. If you're working a 9 to 5, you're going to have that you don't like. Your soul is eventually either going to get sucked down or conform to the agenda of the 9 to 5, which is not you. So exactly right. How can you be an asset to your friends, to your family, or your community if you're not living your best self? Exactly Pursue right. your dreams. That's the only way to wealth. Boom! Mambo bottle! Hey!
Hey, dude, that's the mission right there. And honestly, that's why I set out to make my own Amazon FBA business. I haven't had a job in over 3 years. I mean, I used to work with Iris here. We did our thing at Joey's for a while. Yeah. And how was the restaurant business? It's cool to socialize,
but it's great for socializing.
I mean, you make a lot of cool connections, but from there I was like, yo, if I want to come hang out at Cannon Beach with my guys, doing my thing, I need to be fully free and not have any agenda, no 9 to 5. I need no filter on my life. Like, how do you feel about that? And we got Paris out here. You're the director of this whole thing, right, man?
The project manager. So I would just say he's absolutely right. Make sure you have a business plan, and just like, it's cool to work a 9 to 5 if you're putting that towards your business. Yeah. You know what I mean? Take like 30% of all your income and put that and invest it in yourself, invest it in the stock market, invest it somewhere where it's going to grow. Don't just save it. Take 20% and save that for emergencies and everything, but that 50%, that's for your bills. Do something like that. Make sure you have a game plan. Don't just jump out like I did a few years ago and just be like, I'm going to start a business. I don't have a business plan. I'm just going to be cool and stuff. Make sure you got a plan and all that. Now we have a plan. That's why this is all coming together. Took some time, took some grind, took some sacrifice, but that's how we got here. So,
dude, I got you, bro. One thing that's very important. Remember, the people who's never done it is going to tell you you can't do it. But the people who did do it will tell you that you can do it. So never give up, yo.
Yeah, hey, there's more haters than you guys have ever probably seen on Instagram, Facebook. If you don't agree with one way, it's like, boom, you're going to get screwed. It's like, you need to be able to speak your own mind. The best ideas win at the end of the day. I mean, if it's going to help people, then, I mean, put it out there. Summer, you do real estate and stuff. How has that changed what you perceive about 9 to 5?
It made me realize that no one else is going to build your asset for you. Just like he said, you got to go out there and get your hands dirty and build your own asset and build your own future so that you can work from home, be your own boss, and be able to work wherever you want, not just at a desk.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. Mia, what's it been like for you?
Basically, it's been a long journey, and it's always going to be a big challenge and a lot of obstacle, but I know that you guys are going to make it through, because that little obstacle is just going to be a little small something that you just went and overcome. And like I said, it's gonna be, there's gonna be a fucking rainbow after your fucking crazy course. You made it.
That's exactly right. What do you
I just want to say how rewarding it's been to not be committed to a 9 to 5, so that I can build the connections that I've made, including all these wonderful people around us. Like, we wouldn't be here if I committed to a 9 to 5, and I feel like it's so important to have that freedom for yourself to just do whatever you want and hang out with the people that you love.
And all of our friends, the ladies, they're rolling with me, so we'll get them in the video. You guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Peace out.
Bye.